In this video, we'll be showing you how to add an event from a template. A template has been put together by our team to ensure you can add events through a series of questions and get up and running quickly with your events. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Select the type of event you would like from the Add Event Template menu. The event template wizard then contains 4 steps to help you add your events. The first step is basic event information. Here you can complete the name of the event in the name field and enter the event start and end dates and times. Select which fee type you would like from the fee type drop-down list and select how you would like platform fees to be covered from the platform fee type drop-down list. Then click on the Save and Continue button. The second step is for tickets. Enter the price in the price field and the quantity in the quantity field. Then click on the Save and Continue button. The third step is for booking information. If you would like to know the name of the person attending, check the Ask the Name for each person attending checkbox. If you would like for the name once for each order, then check the Ask for the Name Once for each order checkbox. Then click on the Save and Continue button. The last step is to specify the amount of volunteers you will need to run the event, if applicable. Enter the number required in the quantity field. Then click on the Create Template Event button. If you need to make any amends, either click on the event name or on Edit from the Manage menu, where you can also add event images. And that's it, you have now successfully added an event from a template. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up classes to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.